Amazon Best Seller Rank or BSR is a metric that measures the popularity of a product on Amazon. It indicates how a product is selling compared to other items within the same product category. So, a lower BSR indicates a higher ranking, meaning that the product is more popular and selling well. Therefore, understanding the BSR is very important factor for Amazon. Hello Amazon sellers, this is Khalid from the Ecomclips team. In today's video, I will discuss with you all about the Amazon BSR rank. By the end of this video, you will understand why BSR rank is important, how Amazon calculated the BSR rank, and how you can improve the BSR rank to generate more sales. First thing first, what is the bestseller rank on Amazon? As said, Amazon's bestseller rank is a constantly changing metric that shows how well a product is selling compared to the other products in the same category. Well, let me make it more clear to you. Right now, I am on Amazon.com. Here, I have searched for a product playpen, and based on my search, Amazon algorithm suggests some items. So, I am taking this product as an example to explain the BSR, because this item has a good number of reviews and sales. After clicking on this listing, I can see that this item has more than 3k reviews. So, to find out the category and the BSR rank of this product, I need to go to the product information section. Here I can see the bestseller rank, which is also called BSR. And these are the category and ranking information for this product. This product is ranked into two categories. One is root or main category baby and another one is subcategory baby players. In the main category, the ranking is 1297 and in the subcategory it is 9. So it means that this product is doing very well. Actually, the category rank is usually high for all of the products because in the main category there are many products from different categories. But for a subcategory, it's easier to rank on top because there are fewer products in that category and there is less competition as compared to the main category. Okay, let's dive a bit deeper. Now let's click one by one for each category. Click on the main category baby and open the subcategory on another tab. So here you can see that this is the Amazon bestseller category page for baby and this page is for subcategory baby players. On the left side you can see that there are many subcategories that are fall under in the main category like activity and entertainment, baby care, car seats, feeding, etc. On that page you can see that this product diaper is ranked on number 1 in the main category baby. That means the bestseller rank of this particular product is number 1 in the whole baby category. This indicates this seller is generating a huge number of sales per month. Now, if we go to the subcategory page baby players, we can see that on the left side the main category baby and the subcategory is nursery and other subcategory as well like bed rails and rail skirt, changing and dressing, furniture collections, infant and toddler beds, etc. So, the end category of this product is playered and the ranking is number 9. If you compare the sales between number 1 and number 2, obviously the product which is ranked number 1 has higher sales, no matter how many reviews are they having. So, the number of reviews is not the only factor that determines an item's ranking. An item with 2k reviews may higher ranking than an item with 6k reviews if it has more sales. This is because sales are better indicator of an item's popularity and demand. So, if your items have a lower number of the bestseller ranking, there are more chances to generate more sales. So, this is the concept about the bestseller rank. Now, how is Amazon bestseller rank calculated? Although Amazon doesn't reveal exactly how the bestseller rank is calculated. There are a number of factors that contribute to it, including current and historic sales, product price changes and promotions, competitive products. BSR is heavily influenced by current sales trends and historical sales volume, and is updated hourly. But how do you understand that your product BSR is good? Generally speaking, a good BSR is between 1 and 10k. However, this depends on the number of products in the category and whether you are in the top 0.5%, 1%, 3%, etc. of that category. Some product categories are in much higher demand than others. So, a product with a BSR of 1000 in two different categories could have very different daily sales numbers. So, how you can improve your Amazon bestseller rank? Improving your Amazon bestseller rank BSR can be a strategic process involving various factors. Number 1. Sales volume. To improve your BSR, which directly affects your sales, you should focus on increasing your sales volume. You can do this by implementing effective marketing and promotional strategies, such as running targeted advertisement campaigns, offering discounts, or participating in Amazon's promotional programs like lightning deals or deals of the day. Number 2. Competitive pricing. It's very important to be competitive. To make sure your prices are appealing to customers, you should research comparable products and their prices. You can use Amazon's automated pricing features or repricing software like AppEagle, FeedVisor, and many more. Number 3. Optimize your listing copy. If you want to improve the searchability of your product as well as the conversion rate, optimize your product listing. Write compelling content titles, bullet points, and description with relevant keywords. Number 4. Improve your listing images. Imagine you are going to a physical store to buy a t-shirt. There you can check and see the real product and trial it as well before purchasing the item. Also, if you will find some staff or salesman who is actually giving some information about the products. Actually, they're highlighting some important features about that product which help you to make buying decisions. But in the online marketplaces, customers are not able to see or touch the product. So they largely depend on the images or videos to check how the product look in real life. So make sure your images are of great quality and can help point out important features and benefits. So we can say better images and video, higher conversions, and higher BSR. Number 5. Fulfillment method. If you use Amazon's fulfillment service FBA, it can positively impact your BSR. FBA listings often receive preferential treatment in terms of shipping speed and prime eligibility, which can attract more buyers and ultimately increase the BSR. So guys, this is all about Amazon BSR rank. We tried to explain properly to understand why BSR rank is important and provided some tips to improve the BSR rank on your Amazon product. Still, if you have any queries, feel free to let us know in the comment box, or email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video link. If you find this episode helpful, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it via social media to help others. Thanks for staying with us till the end of the video. We will get back to you soon with another new video. So keep your eyes on our YouTube channel Ecomclips. Till then, stay safe.